everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I am at my desk because I'm getting all organised for 2021. So if you watched my previous video, which was a planning video for the new year, you know I've got some new stationery and I've also set myself some goals for the year ahead. I'll link that video if you haven't seen it. So today I'm just getting my desk all set up and I am going to create a vision board. So I've never actually created a vision board before, but I know it is something that a lot of people recommend to try and help you achieve your goals, and it kind of works in a sort of visualization and manifestation way. So if you have all your goals set out in a really lovely kind of visual display, it will make you more inclined to work towards them. It will make it clear to the universe, to yourself, to everybody what your intentions are for the year, and hopefully it will make it easier for you to actually achieve them. And that is the hope anyway. So I thought I would give it a go this year and I would make a vision board with you guys and we can see if it works. Maybe we can do like a 6-month look back and see if I achieved any of these goals. And also I just thought it would be just something nice to kind of look at when I open my laptop every day. So if you are new to this channel, my name is Vicky and I am a writer. I write a women's fiction series called Glendale Hall. So pretty much every day I'm a full-time author, I work at home, I open my laptop. So I think it would just be really useful for me to have a really kind of inspiring screen to look at every day, and it will keep me hopefully really focused on my goals for 2021. So I really hope you enjoy this video. Let's create a really cool and inspiring vision board together. So I've got my desk all set up. I've got my desk calendar, my notebooks, my new weekly planner, and all my books to inspire me, and my little mascot, and my laptop. So now all I need for being ready for 2021 is a vision board on my laptop. So I'm going to use Canva, go into custom dimensions and then put in the dimension of your screen, and that's mine. And I haven't found so far a vision board template on Canva that will like fit my Mac display perfectly. So I'm basically just going to make it myself. And the whole point of this is just trying to make something that's visually inspiring to you. So what works for me, you know, might not work for you, etc., etc. So I want a really nice bright background that I find inspiring, and I love sunsets and sunrises and looking at the sky. So I'm going to go with this, and then I'm going to show you how I build my vision board. So once my background was in place, I decided to start with my theme words. In my planning video for 2021, I set myself 2 theme words for this year, create and calm. And I thought they would be perfect to center my vision board around. And I thought that would just be a really inspiring and motivating way to set me on the right track for the year, focus me on my goals and inspire me every day. So I looked through the fonts on Canva and I really liked this neon one. So I've put create and calm right in the center of the vision board. I didn't think the yellow stood out enough against the pink sky, so I've changed that to kind of white with black edging. And I really want the vision board to be focused on those 2 words, and I want to find images that symbolize creativity and calm, which I just think is going to be really inspiring and motivating for me. And then it was time to find images to go on the board. And one image I really wanted to include was of a butterfly, because I just thought they really symbolise the word calm. I find them really relaxing and pretty. And Canva has a selection of photos that you can choose from. So I searched in that for a butterfly and I found this really pretty purple one, which I thought would look really good with the pink sky. So I've popped that on the vision board. I'm just going to place all the images on and then rearrange them at the end so they work really well together. So the next image I've chosen to include on my board is of a forest. I find trees really calming and relaxing, and I really enjoy going for a walk in my local park, which has a woodland area in it. So I thought it'd be really inspiring to include on my vision board. And then I thought, what else is calming and inspiring to me? And I really love searching for rainbows. So I thought that would be a nice kind of final nature picture for the vision board. And that kind of finishes off the calming selection. And then it was time to work on the creativity side and really focus on my career goals for the year. I found most of these images on Google, and I'll just talk you through them. So I wanted to include my favourite quote, which is a Walt Disney quote, and it is, "If you can dream it, you can do it." I find it really inspiring, and I just knew I really wanted to have it on the board. And then I actually have a tattoo of the word believe with a butterfly. And I thought, well, you've got a butterfly on the board, so you really need to include the word believe. Again, I just find it a really inspiring and motivating word, and it just needed to be included on the vision board. For the final images on the vision board, I really wanted to focus really strongly on my career and social media goals for the year, and really find images that are going to put the goals right there in front of me and really inspire and motivate me to hit them. So I am publishing 2 books this year. One is book 4 in my Glendale Hall series, and the other is the start of a new series, which I can't share any details with you about yet, but I wanted something to symbolise it on the board, and I found this really cute Agatha Christie quote, which maybe gives you a little hint what it might be about. So that has gone on there, and then I also wanted to include my social media goals for the year, which if you watch my planning video, you'll know are to hit 1,000 subscribers here on YouTube. So if you haven't already hit the subscribe button, please do so. And I would also love to hit 10,000 followers over on Instagram. So basically just Googled those and came up with these images. And then finally, I needed something to represent Glendale Hall 4. My ultimate goal is to have a Amazon bestseller. I'd love to hit the top 10, but I thought, look, this is a vision board. Let's shoot for the moon. Let's go for the #1 position. So what I did separately on Canva was I superimposed my book on the Amazon bestseller chart, because I thought that would be a really great way to kind of visualize that goal, keep me motivated. So every time I open my laptop, I see myself at #1 on Amazon, which is the ultimate dream. And now I've got all my goals on my vision board, so I know exactly what I'm aiming for this year. I don't know how reachable some of these are for this year, but they are my ultimate goals. So I think let's put them all on the vision board, and then anything I do this year is to focus me, to motivate me, to inspire me, to work towards those goals. So now I've got all the images I want to have on my vision board. I'm just resizing them and making sure I like their position on the board, tweaking it to look exactly how I want it to. I didn't want it to look too blocky. I wanted there to be different shapes, so it's sort of pleasing on the eye. And I wanted to make sure I left a border around the edge so I could still see the pink sky. And also obviously at the bottom, there's going to be my app, so I didn't want to chop off any of the images down there. So once it's looking exactly how I want it to look, I'm going to save it, set it as my desktop picture, and then I can show you exactly what it's going to look like every time I open up my laptop. So I am really pleased with how that looks. I really wanted to just keep it really simple and effective and bright, and something that's going to make me smile when I open my laptop every day, and also really inspire me and make it just really clear what my goals are, and hopefully I can try and reach them this year. So yeah, I'm quite pleased with how my desk looks now, and I think it's going to be a really cute and effective and inspiring place to work this year. Fingers crossed. Let me know what you think of it. So there we go, my vision board is created for 2021. My desk is all ready, I'm organised. Really, I have no excuses now not to try and reach all of my goals for the year. So hopefully I can do that. And I hope you guys will stick around on this channel to see if I do. And yes, please do hit that subscribe button if you would like to follow me this year. It would be great to have you. And let me know, are you creating a vision board? Has this inspired you to create one? Do you always create one? Does it work for you? Chat to me in the comments all about it, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Take care, look after yourselves, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.